Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tina Lestari from elementary school, teacher, education student. Today, I'd like to present about pembelajaran daring materi bangun ruang pada siswa kelas 5 SD menggunakan pendekatan realistic mathematics education atau disingkat RME. Okay, the purpose of this talk is to put you in the picture about online learning makes students find it difficult to understand mathematics learning. Students have difficulty determining the initial concept, but formulas and example of the material present. Especially, the teacher only use conventional method. Sorry for technical error hampered by signal. Okay, I begin off by explaining. So let me first give you a brief overview background. Indonesia is one of the countries affected by COVID-19. To anticipate the transmission virus, the government issues a policy that the teaching and learning process are carried out and through online or distance learning. In order for learning to continue, there must be the use of technology and information by using connect gadget between student and teacher. With this information technology, it is hoped that learning can run well considering that the majority of Indonesian people currently use the internet. Learning must also be adapted to current conditions, including learning mathematics. Realizing that mathematics has an important role in everyday life, especially in building material for 3rd grade elementary school students. The importance of learning to build space because this learning is very dominant with effort to solve spatial problem and find their own concept of building space. So, that students are able to choose formulas or concepts to solve problems. That way, in presenting the material for building a room, the teacher should pay attention to the characteristics of students. This can be done by providing opportunities for students to be actively involved because students already have the knowledge through daily experience. Based on the fact in the file that and there are still many students who experience difficulties in understanding mathematics subject, especially on the subject of building space. This is evident at the time of evaluation 13.2 students, only 12 students or 13.8 that 4% of students who score above the 8 a.m. This happens because they still use conventional method or teacher-centered learning. This has implication for the low level of student understanding. In overcoming this, there need to be a way out or a solution. One of the is using the realistic mathematical education or RME approach. Okay, next point. Sorry for technical error. Okay, next, theoretical studi online learning. One, the meaning of online learning. Online learning is learning that can be done anytime and anywhere by utilizing the internet network via several applications such as classroom, video conference, telephone, or live chat, Zoom, or via WhatsApp group in process learning and adapting to technology. And second, characteristic of online learning. Identical in that learning involves parents. Parents must guide their children during learning and have assignment and supervision during the learning process. Three, exists. Online learning is more practical and relaxed because it can assign text anytime and text supporting all the time. More flexible can be done anytime, anywhere, and every student can access easily because it can be done anytime and anywhere. Then only learning strategies are more interactive and innovative by using learning media. 4. Lack of student involvement in the process online learning that follow from start to finish learning and network that have not reached all region, internet, data package, which are still in the expensive category in some circles, limited creative of teacher, inability of student have a cell phone, Android and laptop and other things. Okay, next point. Okay, definition from instructional media and geometry. One, instructional media. WhatsApp Messenger is a popular technology potential to be used as a learning tool. And in WhatsApp Messenger, there's a capable WhatsApp group will fun learning relate to various discussion topic given by the teacher and can be used by student or seeker because many have used it. 2. Geometry. A three-dimensional shape that has space in it is limited by size, has edge, size and vertices. An example of a geometry shape, namely cubes, blocks, cylinder, prism, pyramid, cone, and shape. As for getting up the space described in this study is a cube and cubes. Next point. Okay. Next point, realistic mathematics education or RME. 1. Definition. Mathematics learning approach involves student realistic and experience. Realistic approach mathematics education or RME provide opportunities for students to rediscover and construct mathematical concepts based on realistic problem given by the teacher. Because students will their own knowledge, then students will not easily forget. 2. Step. Understanding contextual problem, solving contextual problem, comparing and discussing answer, drawing conclusion based on the result of the discussion. And 3. Access. Provide clear understanding to students regarding daily life in accordance with reality and benefit for students during the learning process. Okay, next point. Okay, next point, research method. This study use a qualitative descriptive method. This research is a descriptive research which aims to describe the effectiveness of online learning materials built space using realistic mathematics approach education or RME. Okay, next point. Research, subject, and instrument. 1. Subject. The subject of this study were 5th grade elementary school students in one of the public elementary school in the Indonesia, West Bandung, totaling 20 students consisting of 11 male students and 9 female students. Test. The written test instrument in the form of description is 12 questions. Questionnaire or attitude scale are used to measure teacher response and student and to find out the difficulties experienced by student on online learning of geometric volumeters. Next, observation. The observation is used to measure scenarios and implementation of the ability to learn to build speech in students. Interview were conducted with students to find out the difficulties experienced by students during the implementation of online learning. Okay, in conclusion, scenarios and implementation of online learning for building material in 5th grade elementary school students using the realistic mathematics approach education or RME through 3 stages of research. Among other are giving the initial test or pre-test, giving treatment with using the realistic mathematics education or RME approach, and giving a final test or post-test. Based on the result, there are the findings in the field include student being able to learn more active by the way. The teacher relates a learning to life everyday life by using concrete media as well as interaction with teacher and file, even took online learning by using WhatsApp group media. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.